We need to?
Mm-hmm. We need to.
We need to.
We need to!
Okay! Guessed glitter, because you would be wrong. I think every one of you guys guessed glitter, and I wasn't lying when I said that I will never, ever, ever carry glitter again. We are actually coming out with something else. We are coming out with pixie dust, and we are launching pixie dust today on Black Friday in our world famous white in chunky and fine. You guys have many times come to me to tell me that you cannot find a white to replace the white that I used to have. So we are fine tuning the colors, and we're gonna bring you along with us in my stories. So make sure you're following on Instagram, because everything is pixie dust. All of the names are gonna be reimagined as Tinkerbell themed or Peter Pan themed, because that's where originally pixie dust came from. And it also is 16 ounces. 16 ounces in a jar for y'all. And everybody who orders this will get a spoon to go with your glitter that has a handmade charm by Sam, demoing what the fine and the chunky look like in resin. So you will not have to guess what it's gonna look like when it's finished. But this is our Black Friday item, and it is a labor of love.
Hacksmith and just like throw the box on the ground and like obliterate it to open it.
That's how I'm opening this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Jars! Oh, and lids. 2,000 jars. That doesn't seem like 2,000.
Are the same size as those?
Yeah.
There we go.
Tyler said I had to do that.
I love it.
But these can't go out. These will not be in stock by Black Friday then, right? Oh yeah, they will. Stop it. They're in stock. Stop freaking out, guys.
Boxes, figuring out how to ship it, and getting it out.
Okay.
So we're literally almost done.
But we also need to, does it have a SKU? Did you say that?
Painted it white and blinged it in the center.
So cute.
I'm obsessed.
This Jazz Hands paint is this, okay? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
That's awesome! And then there will be like a little glue dot on the bottom to hold it and a little glue dot on top so it doesn't slip around. And then we'll do the spoon just in the packaging on the side. That'll match.
Can you do a close-up of the sticker?
Yeah.
Yours like a
So
matted,
cute.
right?
Yeah, these are so, I mean, and it's just so
Obsessed.
beautiful.
And we will have another sticker larger that goes on our next round of smaller ones that we're working with. It's Pretty Personal with, and it'll say It's Pretty Personal and Auntie Tay on there for the colors that she's launching for us.
Wait, is that the actual size you guys are selling?
Yeah.
Yep.
That's a lot.
Yep.
They're going to be like mega jars, and we're going to move a couple products into mega jars and experiment with like.
We also need to show that 4 bottles fit in this.
So it's coming with the spoon, or is the spoon separate?
No, it's coming with a spoon.
Yeah.
That's a really cheap price.
Is it?
That's
So excited. I need some glitter.
Are you rolling?
yeah.
All right, hold on. Let me think. Hey, Tiffany,
What's up?
did It's Pretty Personal send you those samples? We have them?
Yes, we have them. They just came today.
I love her glitter.
Check it out. You're not going to believe this.
Should we go bigger?
That was beautiful. I thought I had a line, and then you saved me. You're like, it's here. I'm like, oh, what do I say?
Feel free to put vlog footage in the fact that we're making stupid videos.
Was that good?